This is going in my vlog. You're fucking.
बंद करो।
हाँ यार वो समझ नहीं आया था मेरे को।
चलते रहियो रोहन।
रोहन मत चलते रहियो,
चलते
उड़ जाएगा रोहन। चलते रहियो,
चलते
रहे। बढ़िया बढ़िया बढ़िया।
So guys, this is the kind of tent in which we are staying right now, and this is the boys section, and that's the dining area, that's the washing and drinking section. So we are staying here from last 4 days, and this place is very beautiful, but the only problem is that we are getting a harsh treatment here by physical exercises. This is my tent. It's tent number 9. And it's a cloudy day today in Manesar, and I'll just show you my tent. This is going in my vlog. You're fucking. So guys, this was the tent where we were staying, and it is our last day over here. And it's all amla tree over here, and this ambulance is 24/7 over here. Lot of over here's in my vlog. And this is jungle, amla jungle, or you can say man-made jungle. Maybe man-made, but it's not man-made. There's a small shop, and that's quite everything over here. And there's a big, huge, dense jungle when you go from this place. And inside, we were there on the first day, and it's quite more like a lot of jungle there. So I'm fumbling right now because it's really cold outside, and we woke up at 4:30 a.m. because it's the last day, so we have to exchange all the things. And most of the days also we were up by 5 because we have to go for our physical training at 6:30, and by 5 I mean you have to wake up and you have to do all your personal things like going to the bathroom, doing brush and stuff. So it was quite a hectic schedule, but it was a lifetime experience for me because I did a lot of things that I never thought of doing. That I conquered a lot of my fears, and I ran for like 6 to 8 miles a day. That's a big thing for me. It's normal for a lot of things. Like my brother only does more than 8 kilometers a day, 6 kilometers a day, but it's not at all normal for me, and I did it for the first time, and it is good, guys. So if you ever get a chance to join, like have a like military training, or join NCC, which is government body for all these things, do visit. You'll get hard trainers, and you may feel like running towards home again, back to your home again, but once it is done, you will feel so proud of yourself, and you'll get to know a lot of things that you don't know. I got to know a lot of things about army, our navy, and a lot of things that I never knew that it happens, or it is this kind of things are in the world. So if you get a chance, at least to once do this. Most of the schools provide this. If you apply for NCC, they will gonna take you to such kind of military camp. And I did a lot of more things like adventurous thing, like climbing a wall and stuff, which you must have seen in the like previous videos, like not previous video, like the previous segments of the videos. So that was also first time for me, and that was also really good. And I feel like I have become a little more courageous, you say, or something like that. So it was a great experience, guys. So guys, right now people are just leaving for the last parade, the final parade, and they're just taking pictures, and you can see people all around loitering, and they're just taking pictures for the memories and stuff. And yeah, that's all. It's the last day, and we'll give some examination today and some basic questions, and then more like a debate contest, and that's all.